Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi grayed out. So guys, if the icon of your Wi-Fi is grayed out in your iPhone, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, you need to go back, open your settings and on your airplane mode for 30 seconds. And after spending 30 seconds, you need to off it. And after doing off, check that your problem is fixed or not. So if still having this problem, then the second method is open your settings again, scroll it down and click on screen time and scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions. So if it is on content and privacy restrictions, then you need to off it. So first of all, off this content and privacy restrictions. And the third method is open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general, scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset all the settings. And after doing reset, your problem will be fixed. And the fourth method is you need to open your settings, scroll it down, click on general, click on a software update and make sure that your iPhone or iPad is up to date to latest iOS version. So if your iPhone is not updated, maybe this problem is occurred due to update. So first of all, update your iPhone, and after update your problem will be fixed. So here you can see my iPhone is not updated, so you need to update now. Maybe this problem is occurred due to update. So after update your problem will be fixed and you will be able to on your Wi-Fi smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.